building where I live on the third floor. There's a lady living there, and she's quite a beautiful woman. And with this lady's daughter, I was the one who got tempted. What can I say? I'm just a man. And that's how it happened. Oh, come on now. Shoo, shoo, she ran. She's nothing really special. Shoo, shoo, she ran. She's not the one for me. No, she's not a wonder. The mother is way better than the daughter. I saw her wearing those tight leggings and looking at that beautiful body.